How to fix iPhone Wi-Fi not working. So if your iPhone Wi-Fi is not working or connecting, here's exactly how to fix it in the next 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, so the first thing that you want to do is go into settings and tap on Wi-Fi. In here, tap on the Wi-Fi toggle button to turn it off and then switch it back on. You can also do it through the control center, so you can tap on Wi-Fi to turn it off and then switch it back on. Step number 2 is to restart your iPhone to clear temporary network bugs. So you can do that by press and hold on the volume up key or volume down key. So press on the volume up key and the side button, then swipe across, and then after that you can press on the power button or the side button here to turn it back on. Okay, the next thing that you can try is to forget Wi-Fi network and reconnect. So we go into settings, then tap on Wi-Fi, and from here tap on the information icon right next to the Wi-Fi. Then we tap on forget this network and then tap on forget. After that, you can reconnect to the network. So we're just going to go back into Wi-Fi, and then I'm just going to switch it off and turn it back on, and then try to reconnect. Now after that, if it's still not working, we can try to reset network settings. This fixes hidden network corruption without deleting phone data. So we go into settings, and in settings, go down and tap on general. Then scroll down to the bottom and tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Then tap on reset, and from here tap on reset network settings. Then tap on reset network settings. Now this will erase save Wi-Fi passwords, VPN settings, and Bluetooth devices. It will not erase your data. Okay, tip number 5 is to turn off private Wi-Fi address, because some routers reject private MAC randomization. So we do that by going into settings and then tap on Wi-Fi. Next, tap on the name of your Wi-Fi, so that one there, and then we tap on private Wi-Fi address and select off. And I'm just going to select off, tap on the loud tracking and then go back. Okay, so turn off private Wi-Fi address. Solution number 6 is to disable VPN and proxy. So VPNs can block Wi-Fi on iOS. So go to your settings, then scroll down, and we're going to try to go into VPN. And here we go into general and scroll down and tap on VPN and device management. Now if you are connecting to a VPN in here, then simply try to disconnect. If you are not using the VPN, you can turn it off. Okay, so you can disconnect or simply delete or remove a VPN connections. At the moment, I do not have any active VPN connection. Okay, that is one thing. The other thing is you can go into settings. So we go back into settings and then tap on Wi-Fi, and we try to go and configure the proxy of the Wi-Fi. So here's a configure proxy. So you tap on that, and if it is set to automatic or manual, make sure you select off. So select off for configure proxy inside your Wi-Fi. Next, solution number 7 is to switch Wi-Fi frequency. So if your router supports dual band, such as 2.4 GHz or 5 GHz, we can try to connect to one of the other and see if it makes a difference. So you can try to connect to a different SSID if your router separates them. Here you can see if I go into Wi-Fi, I have Wi-Fi 5G or 5 GHz band, and then we've got Wi-Fi. This is a 2.4 long range 2.4 gigahertz. So the 2.4 is a long range, so you can go a bit further than the 5G. The 5G is it's a shorter distance, but it's offer a faster connection. Okay, so you can try to alternate between them and see which one works better. So here I can switch to 2.4 gigahertz, or I can switch to 5 gigahertz and see which one works best for you. Solution number 8 is to restart your router or modem. So unplug your router for around 30 seconds and then plug it back in. And many Wi-Fi issues are router side and not on the iPhone. Moving along to solution number 9 is to update your iOS. So if you go into settings and go down and tap on general, then tap on software update. In here, check for any latest update. If there is a newer iOS version, try to update it by tapping on the update now or install or update button on your iPhone with the latest iOS. Buggy or the firmware can break Wi-Fi performance on your device. If it's still not working after you have done all those steps, you can try to reset all the settings on your device. So here we go back to the main settings page, then scroll down and tap on general. After that, scroll down to the bottom and tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Then tap on reset and then tap on reset all settings. And then from the pop-up, tap on reset all settings. You may need to put in a PIN to go ahead. So here, if I tap on that, it says, are you sure you want to continue? So tap on reset all settings again to confirm. Now this does not delete data. It only resets the system settings only, so all your photos and documents will remain on the phone. You will not lose any data. Solution number 11 is to turn off low data mode. Low data mode may restrict Wi-Fi connection. So go into settings, then tap on Wi-Fi, tap on the name of your Wi-Fi, and then make sure low data mode is turned off. If this is turned on, sometimes it can cause an issue, so try to switch it off. After that, if you still have a problem again, you want to check your router security and filters. Now make sure the MAC filtering is off on the router. Router uses WPA2 or WPA3, not WEP. And iPhone is not blocked in router settings. So make sure your phone is not blocked in your router settings. So you need to log into your router's admin page, and then you need to go through the settings and simply check all those 3 settings. Now solution number 13 is to test Wi-Fi Assist. So we go back into settings and then go down and tap on cellular. In here we look for Wi-Fi Assist. So let me find where it is. Here it is. So make sure you turn this one off. And if Wi-Fi keeps dropping, this can reveal if your phone prefers mobile data. So by turning this off, if you see the Wi-Fi signal up here keep dropping in and out, then it could be a Wi-Fi issues. Here I will turn it back on. Another problem is if you see Wi-Fi gray out or keeps disconnecting, it could be a hardware or the antenna issues on your device. Now this is a hardware issue, so there is nothing we can do. If you have an actual hardware issue, you need to contact Apple support or the Genius Bar to resolve the hardware issues. And one final or bonus tip is you can quickly pull down your control center and then turn on airplane mode and then turn it off. Sometimes by switching airplane on and off can resolve Wi-Fi connection issues. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.